First, it starts with expertise. So you walk on these jobs and you go, oh cow, how do we get that done in 2.5 months? And it can only be done with people like Air Control Systems, who we have confidence in. They are design builders, which in our world is paramount. And they've always been very reliable, very knowledgeable, because they design the system so they understand why they're doing what they're doing. And then the installation just goes much smoother that way. We feel like our good subcontractors are partners of ours. And so when I drive on a job site and I see their trucks, then I'm confident that it's going to be done well.
A typical day at Air Control System would start very early. Many of our technicians start at 4 a.m., some all the way up until 6 a.m. The appeal and what brought me to Air Control Systems and ACS was the ability of the organization to perform. And so the teams really are doing their best at every moment for the customers, for their tenants, and for the ownership, so that they get an opportunity to shine and show the best face and the best services that we can provide throughout Southern California, covering all of Southern California from Los Angeles downtown to the Mexico border.
ACS has consistently shown us that they're the best-in-class design-build mechanical contractor. That came into our lives about 8 years ago when we started the Southwest Division. From there, they've shown us that they're a company of values, of expertise. One thing that's unique about ACS is that they have in-house knowledge of how to do an energy model, and they use their professionals to not just follow the prescriptive path. They put in an energy model to find the most cost-effective way to meet the code requirements.
ACS, when we call on them, they are there. They can do anything that we're asking for them, whether it's a cold dark shell to a very involved medical type project. What I really like about them is their interaction with our other design build subcontractors. They interact with our electrical subcontractors as well as our plumbing contractors. If you're looking for a well-rounded go-to guy, somebody that's going to be there both in pre-con and closeout, they're your guy, plain and simple.
To show up in my ACS uniform and that ACS truck it's a sense of pride. Like when I pull up, I'm proud to be a part of ACS. A large company, but at the same time, still a company where we're able to take care of the customer the way they should be taken care of. We've grown, but at the same time, we're able to keep that family feel amongst all employees. So you give them 110%, they're gonna give you 110%.
Something about ACS that you don't know that you should know, and that is that they treat their employees wonderfully. And I think that's really important, and I think that's overlooked a lot. When we're choosing our vendors and our partners, they deliver on their promises right away. They impressed me with their knowledge and their skills, even their maintenance and work order systems. It was in real time. Air Control Systems may be a commercial HVAC company, but they're really people helping people.
ACS has always given back from what I've seen. They're always proactive. They're always offering educational options to managers. They're always willing to offer that extended hand, make sure they're a partner with us. Through that, I felt the passion of every employee I met. They were less about the sale and more about really the service aspect of it.
I have never had an issue with any one of their repairs. I have never had unfair pricing come back from them for any coolers, condensers, major units, anything like that. They tend to under-promise and over-deliver. And so what that means is I'm able to tell my clients, owners of the buildings, we shouldn't have any more air conditioning problems because ACS said what they were gonna do, when they were gonna do it, how they were gonna do it.
At the end of a good day, you actually did something, whether it be just go put a belt on or get a system back up and going, you go downstairs and everyone's like, oh my God, thank you. Sometimes we come up to these units that are 30 years old and it doesn't matter that they've never seen this unit in their life. They'll be able to get it up and going. Kind of feel like a little hero for those 5 minutes.
Air Control Systems gives me the opportunity to be a problem solver. We have 130 vehicles throughout the company, and those vehicles travel like almost 60,000 miles a week. We do everything in the shop from tires and brakes and oil changes all the way to transmissions and engine replacements.
Safety is huge for us. In the end, safety is the #1 priority at this company.
Typically our day starts about 6 a.m. and we'll have a crane normally around 6:30, and we're ripping a unit apart, disconnecting everything for the crane to take it off the roof and install the new one. But there is times where we'll have 8 units on the roof, and then we rewire, recondensate, and test the equipment and make sure it's working operational. Honestly, it's just a rush.
Comfort is my favorite problem to solve. I think it's important, especially today, that when we're receiving requests from our customers, that they know that their comfort is my priority. And I work alongside multiple locations, so I'm seeing people from different departments. I'm seeing people who are adhering different repairs, different installs. I'm in an awesome role where I get to speak to our customers at the beginning and the end of their service. ACS is very family orientated, and we're all really eager to just support each other. It almost makes our work competitive, and in an office, it's not something that you see every day.
So when I first started, I didn't know anything mechanically. I was not good with tools, and these guys came in and they made me feel part of the team. As a programmer, controls applications engineer, I am good at figuring out buildings, figuring out things that other companies haven't been able to figure out for sometimes 10, 20 years. I don't think it's going to be hard to succeed here. They give us everything that we can need to do that.
The leotards to me are the difference of what sets us apart, because of the way that they treat their employees, the way they show their gratitude. That inspires me and many others to bust our tails and to go above and beyond. Our clients reap the benefits because we're able to complete our projects in a timely manner with quality product done right.
I love the people that I work with. It's the reason why I get up in the morning. It's the reason that I work the hours that I do. With our customers, we want to make sure that we're always delivering high quality to them, whether that be property managers, general contractors, or owner-operators. They know that they can rely on us because they have so many people within this organization that will go above and beyond to make sure that the project is successful. I mean, the work that we do every day inspires me. I mean, driving around and seeing all the different buildings that our company has been a part of, but I'm just very proud of what our guys do every day.